By day, hard-working cowboy.
I'm a hard-working cowboy.
And his faithful companion, Sport Truck.
This is my faithful companion, Sport Truck.
But when night falls, they become the Dodge Adventurers.
Get 'em up, Sport Truck. There's boredom in River City.
Who are you?
Perhaps my optional bucket seats, power steering, air conditioning will identify me.
Aren't you the Dodge Adventurer?
My secret's out. Come on, girl. We've still got time to swing.
Smooth.
Just like my Sport Truck's cushion beam suspension.
Will I see you tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'll be a hard-working cowboy.
Dodge Adventurer. By day, hard-working pickup. By night, who knows?